welcome to my channel where you will find DIY, lifestyle, and beauty. Who else's nails are looking crazy right now during quarantine? Mine are. So for today's video, we are going to be doing our nails. I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I do my manicure at home and also apply my press-on nails. Yes, I said it, press-on nails. 1, they're budget friendly. 2, they look great. And 3, they can last about 2 to 3 weeks depending on how you take care of them and what kind of glue you use. So if you would like to gain some tips and tricks on how to keep your nails pampered, budget friendly, but still look good, stay tuned. So these are my nails before. As you can see, they are looking very dull and sad. My fake nails have come off and my real nails are starting to break. They are not looking so cute and we don't want that. So before we even begin step 1, please make sure your hands are sanitized and clean before we start. So the first step is going to be filing, clipping, and shaping your nails. So my nails at this point are very short. My free edge is very uneven and rugged. So filing is going to be fine for me at this point. So as you can see, I am filing my free edge to my desired shape. I tend to usually go with whatever shape my nails are naturally. Sometimes it's almond, sometimes it's square, sometimes I make it square, or at least try to. That way it grows out that way. Kind of just depends on how I feel that day. So after you finish filing your free edge, you do want to go back and file the sides of your nail. That way that shape is reinforced. Once you are done filing, just be sure to go back and look at your nails and make sure they are as even as can be and you have the shape that you like. For step 2, we are going to be taking our cuticle cream and applying it to our cuticles. So I am going to go ahead and use a piece of cotton ball and secure it on the end of my cuticle pusher. I then grab my lotion. I'm using regular lotion. I didn't have any cuticle lotion at the time, so I experimented with this and it worked just fine. So you're going to be applying it all over your cuticles, enough to saturate the entire part, and this is going to help soften your cuticles while they soak. So this part can look a little messy, but that is okay. Remember, we are going to end up soaking our nails in the soapy water anyways in order to soften our cuticles so that we can push them back. For step 3, we are going to be soaking our nails for 2 to 5 minutes. I am using a small bowl, hand soap, and warm water. This step will help to soften the cuticles. For step 4, we are going to be pushing our cuticles back. So once you remove your hand from the water, using a lint-free wipe, I am using a regular paper towel, you're going to dry off your fingernails. Next, I'm going to be removing my soiled cotton ball from my cuticle pusher and applying a new one. Simply take a piece of cotton ball and twirl it onto the edge of your cuticle pusher. Then I am going to dip back into my lotion and reapply to my cuticles. I like to reapply the lotion to my cuticles just to ensure that my cuticles are pushed back seamlessly and smooth. Be sure to be careful during this step because you can hurt yourself if you push back too hard on your cuticles. At this point, your cuticles should be very easy to push back. They should be soft enough. If not, you can always go back and soak your fingers for a little longer if needed. So this next step is completely optional, but after I finish pushing back my cuticles, I like to rub in the remaining lotion on my fingers and go in with my cuticle nippers. This just helps to ensure that my cuticle area is totally seamless and cleaned up. If you are going to do this step, please be extremely careful when working with cuticle nippers because they are very sharp and it is really easy to nick yourself. Trust me, I did it in this video on my other hand and it was not pretty. For step 5, we are going to be fitting our press-on nails to our natural nails. So first I'm going to take a lint-free wipe with some alcohol on it and wipe off all the excess lotion we just used to push back our cuticles. Then I am going to begin to fit my press-on nails to each one of my fingers. ensuring that the entire press-on nail covers my natural nail bed. You then want to remove the top layer of your nails to ensure that the nail bonder helps the glue stick to the press-on nail and your natural nail. For step 6, we are going to be applying our nails. Yay! So the first thing I'm going to do is apply my bonder. This is just an acrylic bonder that I got in another nail kit. Now it's time to start gluing our nails on. This by far, y'all, is the best glue I have used. Usually the glue that comes in the packets of nails is not very strong, and I find that it comes off very quickly. So I highly recommend this glue. If you've tried another glue, please comment down below, share so that we can all get in on the secret. So at this point, our nails are looking fabulous. They are on, and now we are going to file down any rough edges. Go ahead and further shape them down to your finger size. This is going to help the nails appear more natural and seamless. For our final step, we are going to be applying our cuticle oil and lotion to our hands. I am first going to go back in with some alcohol, clean off my fingernails just to ensure there's no debris or glue left on my nails. Once I am done with that, I'm going to begin to apply my cuticle oil. This was one I received a while back in a Boxy Charm. However, you can use any type of oil you may have around. That includes olive oil. I am then going to massage the oil into each nail and my cuticle area. The whole point of this is just to replenish this area since we did put it under a little bit of stress today. The oil really helps to bring the cuticle area back to life. And finally, you are going to apply lotion all over the hand just to bring back moisture and avoid our hands from being ashy. Do y'all see the glow up from the hands I had in the beginning? I'm telling you, press-on nails is where it's at. In case anyone is wondering how long my nails will last, they last about 2 to 3 weeks. I just want to touch really quick on the LA Colors nails that I used for today. Got these at Walmart. They were under $3. I want to say they were $2.50. These only come with 13 nails. So when I went to size my nails for my fingers, I had a little trouble. I usually use the same number nail for each finger. So say pinky finger, I use the same one for this hand and this hand. So then I usually have 2 pieces in a pack. I'm used to using the Kiss Everlasting nails. These come with 28 nails in them. Also the Impressed nails. So these come with 36 nails total. These give you 2 nails, the same number per finger. Does that make sense? Versus this one only came with 13, so I only got 1 number of each nail, so it made it a little bit harder, which is why I went back and filed them down. I like all my nails to be very short. I don't like too much of length because then they break really easy. I'm very rough with my hands. Just wanted to point that out. If you are gonna try the LA Colors press-on nails, I would recommend buying at least 2 packs. Funny thing is, I was gonna buy 2 packs, but by the time I went back into the aisle to get another pack, they were gone. So within a span of 30 minutes, they were completely sold out. These are the final nails. I think they came out pretty good, given the circumstances and given that they're only $3, less than $3 at that. So that is how I get my nails to stay pampered and pretty while I'm at home. Press-on nails are the way to go. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. If you guys do go and pick up any LA Color nail press-ons, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram. I am on Snapchat. I'll leave all my information down below in the description box. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys.